object which is at rest always like to maintain its state of rest. An object which is in motion like to maintain its state of motion till an external force acting on it. An object at rest can change its state to motion by an external force. Like that, an object in motion can change its state to rest by an external force like friction. Any object would like to continue to be in its state of rest or state of motion. The inherent property of the object to resist any changes in its state of rest or state of uniform motion unless it is influenced by an external unbalanced force is known as inertia. Only less force is needed to stop a moving boat, but large force is needed to stop a moving ship. More mass, more inertia. So, inertia depends on the mass of the object. This inertia can be classified into three: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. Place a card over the open end of the glass tumbler. Place a coin on the top of the card. Flick the card horizontally. What will happen? Card moves away, but coin drops straight into the glass tumbler. Why coin is not moving along with the card? Both card and coin are in the state of rest. With the external force, card changes its state, but coin can't able to change its state immediately. The resistance of the body to change its state of rest is called inertia of rest. A person standing in a bus falls backward when the bus suddenly starts moving in forward. When the bus started suddenly from the rest, the lower part of the leg stick with the bus, so it goes forward with the motion of the bus, while the upper part tries to remain in rest due to inertia of rest. When a moving bus stops suddenly, passengers standing inside the bus tends to fall forward. This is because the lower part of the leg comes to rest with the bus, while the upper part tends to continue its motion due to inertia of motion. The resistance of the body to change its state of motion is called inertia of motion. The long jumper runs some distance before jumping because this will help him to jump longer and higher distance due to the inertia of motion. When a stone tied to one end of a thread is moving rapidly in a circular path, and if the thread suddenly breaks, then the stone flies off along the tangent of the circle. The inability of the stone not able to continue in circular path is because of the inertia of direction. The resistance of the body to change its direction of motion is called inertia of direction. When a vehicle makes a turn towards right side, the passenger sitting inside the bus turns towards left side. This is because of the inertia of direction.